10 dating truths women need to hear but don't want to. When it comes to dating, there are some harsh realities that many women may not want to hear. However, facing the truth can lead to better relationships and fewer disappointments. The key to successful dating isn't just about finding the right man, it's about understanding yourself, your expectations, and how men actually think. Here are 10 dating truths that might be hard to accept, but will ultimately make your love life stronger and more fulfilling. 1. Your partner isn't turned off by your looks, he's turned off by your perception of your looks. Confidence is one of the most attractive qualities in a person. Many women believe their partner is turned off by their appearance, but in reality, men are far more affected by how women perceive themselves. If you constantly criticize your own body, seek validation, or act insecure, it creates a negative energy that is unattractive. Men are drawn to women who embrace their own beauty, flaws, and all. Instead of focusing on perceived imperfections, work on self-love and appreciation. The more confident you are in your own skin, the more attractive you will be to your partner. 2. Withholding sex does not ensure a man will commit. Many women believe that withholding intimacy will encourage a man to value them more or push him toward commitment. However, commitment isn't a transaction. It's a choice based on emotional connection, compatibility, and respect. If a man is truly interested in you for a serious relationship, he won't base his decision on whether or not you sleep with him early on. If he's not serious about you, delaying intimacy won't change that. Instead of using sex as a bargaining chip, focus on building a strong emotional foundation. 3. It's normal for your man to watch porn. Within reason. Pornography is a touchy subject in relationships, but the reality is that most men watch it at some point. It does not necessarily mean he is dissatisfied with you, or that he finds other women more attractive. For many men, it's simply a release or habit, not an indication of emotional disconnection. That said, if it becomes excessive or replaces intimacy with you, it can be a problem. The key is open communication. Instead of assuming the worst, have an honest discussion about boundaries and what you're both comfortable with. 4. Most of your male friends like you or want to sleep with you. It's a hard pill to swallow, but most male friends harbor some level of attraction toward their female friends. While platonic friendships between men and women do exist, studies and real-life experiences show that many men would pursue something more if given the chance. If a male friend becomes overly invested in your personal life, always makes himself available, or gets jealous when you date someone, it's a sign he may be interested in more than just friendship. Acknowledging this reality helps you navigate your friendships more wisely. 5. Creating or seeking drama pushes quality men away. Many women unknowingly create unnecessary drama in relationships. This could be through excessive jealousy, overreacting to minor issues, or testing a man's loyalty. While some men may tolerate drama for a while, quality men who are emotionally mature will eventually walk away. If you find yourself drawn to chaos in relationships, it's time to reflect. Healthy relationships are built on trust, communication, and stability. If you want a loving, drama-free relationship, focus on resolving personal insecurities and embracing emotional maturity. 6. You're not there to fix him, and he's not there to fix you. One of the biggest dating misconceptions is that love can fix a broken person. Many women fall for men who are emotionally unavailable, struggling with personal demons, or simply not ready for commitment. They believe that if they love him enough, he will change. The truth is, people only change when they want to. If a man is emotionally damaged or unwilling to work on himself, your love won't fix him. Instead of playing the role of savior, choose a partner who is already in a healthy place emotionally and mentally. Likewise, don't rely on a man to fix your own insecurities or life problems. Self-growth is an individual journey. 7. He won't read your mind. Communicate what you want. Many women expect their partners to just know what they need or want in a relationship. This leads to frustration when their expectations aren't met. The reality is, men are not mind readers. If you want something, whether it's more affection, quality time, or emotional support, you have to communicate it clearly. A good man will want to make you happy, but he can't do that if he doesn't know what you need. Instead of dropping hints or expecting him to pick up on subtle cues, have open and honest conversations about your desires and expectations. 8. Chasing a man will push him further away. If a man is genuinely interested in you, he will make an effort. If you find yourself constantly texting first, making all the plans, or bending over backward to get his attention, it's a sign he may not be as invested as you are. Men value what they work for. If you chase a man too hard, he may start taking you for granted. Instead of forcing a connection, step back and allow him to pursue you. If he truly wants you, he will make it known. If he doesn't, it's better to move on. 9. If he says he doesn't want a relationship, believe him. When a man says he isn't looking for anything serious, he means it. Many women ignore these statements, thinking they can change his mind with time, love, or effort. This usually leads to heartbreak. If a man is clear about not wanting a relationship, take his words at face value and don't waste your time trying to convince him otherwise. Invest your energy in someone who is ready and willing to commit to you. 10. You deserve more than just bare minimum effort. Many women stay in relationships where they feel unappreciated because they believe that a little effort is better than nothing. But you deserve a partner who genuinely values you and makes consistent efforts to keep the relationship strong. If a man only gives you attention when it's convenient for him, makes minimal effort, or constantly leaves you feeling insecure, he isn't the right one. A healthy relationship should be fulfilling, not exhausting. Never settle for less than you deserve. Final thoughts. These truths might be uncomfortable, but accepting them will help you navigate dating with a clearer mindset. Love should be about mutual respect, effort, and emotional connection, not games, insecurity, or unfulfilled expectations. When you embrace reality and prioritize your self-worth, you'll attract the right kind of love and build relationships that truly last. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.